Chainsaws are powerful tools. They can help us a lot, but they can also be dangerous. Using a chainsaw safely is important. It prevents injuries and keeps you safe. This guide provides essential safety tips. Follow these tips every time you use a chainsaw. Chainsaw injuries can be serious. They can even be deadly. Always put safety first. Understand the risks. Learn how to use a chainsaw properly. This knowledge is crucial for everyone. Remember, safety is your responsibility. Before you start cutting, take the time to learn. Understand the chainsaw. Follow safety guidelines. Your well-being depends on it. Before you use a chainsaw, wear the right gear. This gear protects you from injuries. Always wear head protection. A helmet protects your head from falling branches. Choose a helmet with a face shield. This shield protects your eyes from flying debris. Eye and ear protection. Safety glasses protect your eyes. Earmuffs or earplugs protect your ears from the loud noise. Cut-resistant clothing. Special chainsaw chaps or trousers protect your legs. They are made from strong fabric. This fabric stops a moving chain. A long-sleeved shirt adds extra protection. Gloves with grip. Gloves protect your hands and give you a better grip. Safety footwear. Steel-toe boots protect your feet from cuts. They also prevent slips and falls. Always inspect your safety gear before use. Make sure it's in good condition. Damaged gear won't protect you properly. Replace any worn-out or damaged items right away. Handling a chainsaw correctly is key to safety. Start with a firm grip. Hold the chainsaw with both hands. Keep your left hand on the front handle. Your right hand should be on the rear handle. Maintain a stable stance. Stand with your feet firmly planted. Keep your balance at all times. Never operate a chainsaw on a ladder or in an unstable position. Before you start the chainsaw, engage the chain brake. This prevents accidental starts. Use the correct starting method. Whether it's on the ground or in your hands, follow the manufacturer's instructions. Always keep the chainsaw away from your body. Avoid contact with the moving chain. When carrying the chainsaw, engage the chain brake. Hold it with the guide bar pointing behind you. Section 4. Safe cutting techniques, from trees to timber. When cutting with a chainsaw, use proper techniques. This ensures safety and efficiency. Before cutting a log, check for nails or metal. These objects can damage the saw or cause kickback. When felling a tree, plan your escape route. Clear the area around the tree. Make sure there are no obstacles. This gives you a safe place to move when the tree falls. Limbing, or removing branches, requires caution. Support the branch you're cutting. This prevents it from binding the saw. Cut on the opposite side of the branch. Bucking, or cutting a fallen tree into logs, also requires care. Be aware of the log's tension. It can pinch the saw. Use wedges if needed to prevent binding. Section 5. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Many chainsaw accidents happen because of common mistakes. By being aware of these mistakes, you can avoid them. One common mistake is using a dull chain. A sharp chain cuts smoothly and safely. Another mistake is holding the chainsaw too close to the body. This increases the risk of injury if the saw kicks back. Always keep a safe distance. Ignoring kickback is dangerous. Kickback happens when the saw's tip contacts an object. This can cause the saw to jump back towards you. Be prepared for kickback. Finally, never underestimate the power of a chainsaw. Always stay focused and alert when operating a chainsaw. Avoid distractions. Remember, safety is paramount.